Hello and welcome to the Block Market Quick Start tutorial series. Today we're going to show you how to install Block Market. Grab the installer file you downloaded. Double-click it and choose the software access permissions. I'm going to install this for anyone. Choose an install location. I will use the default directory suggested. And that's all there is to it. If I click Finish, the software will auto-run. Read the terms of service, and if you're happy, click Agree. And there you are, you've installed Block Market. Throughout this series, we'll go into more detail about the various features on offer. But just to give you a quick run-through of the main menu, this is where you can send and receive Syscoins and view your transactions. Here, you create and manage your aliases, which are like Syscoin accounts. You can send and receive encrypted messages here, buy and sell items on the marketplace, and create and manage certificates. Now, if we look at the blockchain info, we can see that the software is syncing to the network. How long this takes will depend on your internet connection speed and the size of the blockchain when you install Block Market. Next time, we'll be looking at how to receive funds in your wallet. Thanks for watching.